fight.
Yeah, 1, 2.
Round 2.
Nice. 1, 2.
Oh, you gotta push him harder. Come on, Luke.
1, 2. This is. 1, 2. This is. 1, 2, 3. This is. Yeah, 2. Nice. 1. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Again. Again. Nice. Yo, wow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Nice. Block 4. On 5. Nice. 2. 2. 2, 3, 2. Yep. 2, 3, 2. That's right. Nice. 2, 3, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Move. 1, 2. 1, 2. Move. 2. 2. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2. 1, 2. Move. Nice. 2. 1. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2.
Back on the board.
That's work. Let's get it.
We won. World champion. World champ. We knew we was gonna do it since day one. You know what I'm saying? I wanna thank my coach Luke here. Nothing but the best. Hands up, hands down. World champ. James Canty third.
That was perfect.
Yeah, let's go.